Assalamu alaikum. My name is Bilal Nizam, and I will be giving the presentation on MIS semester presentation project. Implementation of MIS at DH Sofa University. Our team members are Sayyid Saad Ali Qadri, Khalilur Rab, Bilal Nizam, Radal Mustafa Madni, and Tala Khan. Okay, talking about the executive summary of our project for DH Sofa University to increase its revenue, it must implement a data-driven, efficient, robust, and centralized information system, which will not only help their employees make data driven decision but also bring changes in their operation, making it process fast, robust, and efficient. This document aims to give you an insight into why adopting MIS is necessary at DSU, that is by implementing problem faced by DSU such as real-time communication gaps, decrease employees and productivity, and can be resolved. By implementing an MIS, DSU gains advantage over its competitor based on operational excellence, data-driven solutions, and it can evaluate different options before taking steps on making structure changes on the organization. Necessity of an management information system. This problem requires the development of a more efficient and flexible information management system through although data is one of the most important factor in the production of information, not all data is useful and accurate. As a result, if the data is not processed with specific goals in mind, the vast volume of data can become a burden to the business. Now, from our team members, uh, Tala will be talking about the MIS admissions.
My name is Mohammad Tala Khan. So today I will explain the effect of MIS, Management Information System, on admissions. By implementing an management information system, most of the manual work is eliminated, and the process like sign up, login, create application, payment application status, view profile, update profile, manage user in account, user information, admin, etc. are automated and streamlined. Admission personnel don't have to manage manual records, and due to a centralized automated system, the students are notified about their admission progress frequently, thus eliminating the strain of the admission deployment department of students manually calling and inquiring about process. In short, by implementing the management information system, most of the data gathering and information is automated, and the process of admission is streamlined. Due to the implementation of management information system, applying for admission at DH Sofa University become easy, thus increasing the number of admissions. Now I will explain business function at DHS for university. So first department is HR department. So HR department, the management information system is frequently used by HR. The management information system is responsible for implementing and tracking all the benefits and information duties. The learning management system are also used by the training development department to enroll track participants in various training programs. The other department is finance department. The finance department is in charge of DHSFI universities financial planning, management, and control on an operational and strategic level. The finance department interacts with all the and my other topic is improving operational efficiency and decision making. So first point is we can improve operational efficiency and decision making by the following. For employees and management alike, regular training on system and process is vital. Maintaining efficient operations and training best practices include posting cheat sheets regarding SOPs and implementing a coaching processes. The other point is managers receive regular reports from management information system, allowing them to make choices based on evidence evidence rather than guesswork. Certain data and analysis can help you make. Now we'll continue by the Razaul Mustafa Madani.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Razal Mustafa Madni. Now I will discuss the problem solved by implementation of MIS. It will increase employees' productivity. Employees will be more productive since they will not have to spend by compiling the record that management needs. All design in MIS will capture all the data without requiring additional input from employees. Now, second point is providing DSU with a framework in which the experiment with a variety of synchronous of the various options and economic conditions. MIS enable the integration of a specialized operation by keeping each other department informed about the problem and requirement to other department. It connects decision-making centers of the company. Now, please change the slide. Investment plan estimated cost. There will be a huge investment of for hardware. Hardware refer to a physical part or components of a computer system. Hardware include components such as CPU, hard disk, drive, graphic card, sound card, RAM, etc. Server server hardware include application, mail server, web server. The cost will be approx 30 to 35 lakhs PKR. There will be cost of for communication infrastructure, which include WAN, such as routers, modems, etc. LAN, such as switches, jack panel, Ethernet cable. The cost will be approx 20 to 25 lakhs. There will be cost of miscellaneous items, which include storage unit, tape library, backup media, video conferencing setup, training, etc. The cost will be approx 5 to 6 lakhs PKR. Implementation strategies of MIS. Implementation plan, organizing the MIS department, selection and procurement of hardware, procurement of software, creating the database, training of user, creating physical infrastructure, transition of the new system. Strategy, business objective, improve decision making. A very important strategy planning is to provide the right information at the right time of the above person of making an informed decision will be planned.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Khalil Urab, and I'm here to represent this following topic of mapping Porter's five forces model. Here we can see the determinants of the supplier power. Although as an educator, you're not necessarily accustomed to thinking of it this way. Your supply is teachers and infrastructures, and both of these impact most of the students in the university as it matters and determination of buyer power, in which powerful customers are flip side of powerful suppliers and can capture more value by forcing down prices and demanding better quality or more service. And further, we see determinants of competitive rivalry. Rivalry among the existing competitor may take many forms, including price discounting, new product introduction, advertising campaign, and so on. Here we see processes at DSU which need improvement, in which the thing which matters most is admission test and the criteria from which the student can take admission in the university. Moreover, a student look over the faculty and other facilities available at the campus. Further, my friend Saad Qadri will explain.
Assalamu alaikum. Now I will deliver you IT support required to set up MIS. Why is infrastructure management? IT infrastructure is a significant capital investment for the DH Sophia University. If too much is spent on infrastructure, it lies idle and constitute a drag on firm financial performance. If too little is spent, important business service cannot be delivered at the DSU. Choosing right infrastructure components. DSU today create IT infrastructure by choosing combination of the right technologies according to the desired field, like high processing CPU and GPU based and fitting them together. Hence, they function as a coherent whole. Next slide. Now, effect of BI and KPIs achieved. BI frame and process for DHS of a university. Leadership, administrative, personnel, academic staff, and student are among DHS of a universities. Many users. Different role will be assigned to user in an analytic business and decision making process. Different kind of analysis, different modes of information dissemination, and different data will be required by the users. Information infrastructure. Information infrastructure refers to how the data architecture and data integration and infrastructure work together to enable efficiency and flexibility in responses to changing business needs. Reports shared with key managerial positions. Dean of faculty. There are several categories: Dean of faculty, account department, HR department, and QEC department, and examination department. Ethical issues raised by implementation of MIS. There will be some ethical and social issues following will be raised by implementing information system at DSU. Any member of the stakeholder make illegal use of information. The information system could be hacked. Phishing attacks could be subjected to any member of the stakeholder. Violating of privacy of any individual is a big question mark. And accessibility to only stakeholder of the DSU unauthorized access lead to very dangerous consequences. Principle for guiding ethical decision. There are 6 principles of conduct that can be used to guide ethical discussion below. As you see, golden rule. Number 1 is golden rule. Immanuel Kant's categorical imperative. Descartes' rule of change, utilitarian principle, risk aversion principle, ethical no free lunch rule. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.